If I don't kill your sister, then me, I am sick.
TV so. I was just way back 2020 or so for be a friend is a Sylvester Fori. A shooting a Yure Barbara, Tommy, Ekuni ya ewa America memu. Na 2022 date a judge for police for yen shishemu. A judge for atnas lawyer for kasama se otemwa for ne dia babontin se. Sylvester e ye niamo ho sem no ye no. Eniamo ye nyina so ye ni da ho nti onko dam ni nkwa na nyina. Abusia meso so nya subscribe ya no me subscriber tem ne so dia mame. Afi wa me bell notification so dia to o se be the video bi abetuma on first person na obedi Kenya. Abusia for say na case ni etie 2020 and Sylvester Fori on ne year Barbara entem eye basa kakra. Enti obi aye na adwen say ne we nkotena ne fie na we nso ntena ne baby say yetimi keka bibia na bibia to ya na afi Barbara sa go back to nikunu efie. Abusia fonti Barbara kotena ne brother mu fie a ne nuamo nso no mu ka ho are say ho no okanya ni die nya na sumdie ho. Also for Sylvester back to Ghana. Emma obeye ne niema na oba Ghana no ena na abusia fo hunu se da bi. Also for ni nsem bi nsisi so. Abusia ko back to Abrochi o preach a utimu say preaching true nsem obeka enko also for no kan se Bible ne kura fi ba bi na ba ye enkrofo bi na kwatena ba bi church na atimu se nsem ono okeka no kra no entwa ye nya ne kwan mu no abusia fo no mu ho ana ko Barbara fie na ne nuanom wo ho ena o ka che Barbara tese won ku Barbara kra na obesem kam ye kokwe na yes wasinkete se obeku Barbara okọ Barbara fie ho no manase ne nuam fie ho on Sunday. On Tuesday ena also for Sylvester tete Barbara o bank ano ena okọ shoot no ekun ni ya abusia judge fort na see investigators CID for police for so a sample so muteki at that moment incidents ni see nyina omo de court to them ho na abusia oyeka se die nti na case na timi achesa si e sha die nti a case na timi achepa ne se beginning ye bisa Sylvester also for Sylvester say ni awa ye ujitum se waye boni anansa onye boni also for Sylvester se wono die boni e de boni onye bi da onye bi enti anama ansem we nyina ache enti senka beginning na nko so for gin mfunso 2 man ko betimi akotwa 30 years anase 50 years e wo jail na nso na mse beginning no wanyi mfunso antum na case no dia akọwie ni life imprisonment abusia court to them wonom no evidence e di kan pieye evidence o court threaten no e woni fie on that very day Sunday no court threaten woni fie mummy enko ne enko sa video ni mbra.
The pastor told you that she was a witch. Which pastor? Name that pastor. Name that pastor. Which pastor told you my sisters? The same sisters. Which pastor? Name the pastor. Is it you? You are a pastor. You. Oh. You don't know whether you are confirmed or not. You are a pastor, my friend. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck you up. We didn't come here for you. We did not come here for you. Don't let me hurt you. Leave. We didn't come here for you. We came to get something. Can I promise you something? Promise me. If I don't kill your sister, then me, I am sick. You got the video, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Right, call the cops.
No, it's
not. No, call the cops. Jen, no.
Barbara, stop that.
Tanya, you don't play with threats like this. Jen, I'm calling the cops. No, you don't play with threats. Please call the cops.
It's only going to escalate.
It should escalate. He's threatening you in front of me. He said he's going to kill you. What are you waiting for?
Oh, this is it.
What are you waiting for?
All right, just make sure it's there so we can go. If that's it, let's go. Let's just get the hell out of here.
Is it it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure.
Abusia for there is a really first evidence Barbara abusia for a show no court to them honum. Second evidence no enam se na ye ebra ye shooty Barbara kun nti. A judge for ne share say nka abusia for nim free them hono nkomu mbo that particular video no. It is second evidence ne there. A judge for ne abusia for ne free okọ be ya be cover say ebe kai omu ya o areho san say ben 4 years ni. Asemesi ye 4 years ni na fe na ye be share say there. Yes, sister da ho ne na areho ne ade nti. A judge for ne share say abusia for ne de MPA no mu that particular evidence no. Now dancing ya na ni ko twa wi situate aso na ne hwene tia santem wo ho that time no. Etwe mu twa say abro so for Sylvester ohuni se obe park ne car bank nanim ho. Afen so Simon ni se tuo hye ne ho. Nanso na adwena maso se etuo no de bedi awu e wo ne yere so. nemu me ye ne senko ko Robin e wo bank wono esan se bank animu na na omu wo nana ko nim senka ode ko Barbara so akọ hu do be ye e na afenso no onye safe senko ka se tuo wo osofo Sylvester ho a kanu so ko osofo Sylvester so betimi adinawu evidence we nyina kire se osofo Sylvester eyenani da ho se a odi kunwa yi evidence we nyina gada wie na osofo Sylvester ne lawyer kire se da bi osofo no ono nso so ne ya kire se sofo na adwum kan kakra na ese nyina ni da ho so odi yes a then to see sham a osofo na ni da ho nti okwa afiase ne kwa na nyina ebusia metewa na bibisa se enka ya Ghana ha se ya asam 2020 sam ya pass judgment se ka Ghana ha na asem we si ya ke be foolish case and anya foolish case momi ansha amadu ade ya police ni ko shooting wo eye adum Kumasi sa case ni ye bisa sam ya kosi sei Ghana wutima no amwani ada ho no ahye ho so ye obi kase meku a no ada ho so e woni pa no ho ebusia aha ye Mojabi TV unya subscribe ya no me subscribe button ne so amami na na adwo ne medi ye be se share bio